Know what to do when pursuing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a useful tool for businesses that wish to succeed when competing against other businesses. Businesses make use of this kind of marketing by paying affiliates to bring in more customers. Affiliates can do this by whatever means they choose. The tips provided in the following video will help you to take advantage of what arrangements companies are offering. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added, to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy, can have a large effect on your readers. Make sure that you are helping your readers with your affiliate ads. Instead of looking like someone who wants to cash in on a sale using a list to get people to click on affiliate links, try be detailed with a review and then plugging the link into that. Put in some effort to get them to click on your ads. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. As stated before, affiliate marketing is a useful tool for businesses who wish to be successful. Affiliates are paid by companies to use their methods to bring in more customers, and you can get in on the action. By doing so, businesses can have access to more profit. If you remember the tips in this video, then you can do quite well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.